In this video, I'll walk you through how to move your Windows operating system to another SSD safely and without reinstalling anything. This method is ideal if you're upgrading to a faster drive, running out of space, or simply want better overall system performance while keeping all your apps, settings, and files exactly as they are. For this tutorial, I'll be using AOMEI Partition Assistant, a reliable disk management tool that makes the entire process straightforward. Once AOMEI Partition Assistant is open, take a moment to look at the interface. At the top, you'll see the clone option. Click on it, and you'll notice a few different cloning choices. If your goal is to move only Windows and the required system partitions, choose Migrate OS. This option is perfect when you want a clean system transfer without copying extra data. However, if you want to copy the entire disk, including all partitions, personal files, and recovery data exactly as they exist, you can choose Clone Disk instead. That creates a complete, identical copy of the drive. For this tutorial, we'll continue with Migrate OS. After selecting it, AOMEI explains what the feature does. It confirms that your system will be migrated to another SSD or hard drive. Click Next to continue. You'll now see a list of available disks. The current Windows drive is shown as the system disk, and the new SSD appears as the target. Select the new SSD. If a warning appears about deleting existing partitions, that's expected. It simply means the destination disk will be prepared for the Windows system. Confirm and proceed. Next, you'll see a layout preview. This screen shows how Windows will be placed on the new SSD. If the SSD is larger, you can expand the system partition to use the extra space. If it's the same size, you can leave the default layout unchanged. You'll also notice that SSD alignment is enabled automatically. This helps improve performance and ensures proper optimization for solid-state drives. Once everything looks correct, click Next. AOMEI will now prepare the operation. Review the summary, then click Finish and Apply to start the migration process. At this point, the software takes care of everything. Just allow it to complete the operation without interruption. When the process finishes, your Windows system will be fully cloned onto the new SSD, ready for use. No reinstalling Windows, no data loss, no broken applications. This is one of the simplest and safest ways to move Windows to a new drive, whether you choose to migrate only the operating system or clone the entire disk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.